Hello my friends, welcome to Bunny Tales. Today we're going to make a craft for the letter Y. We are going to make a yak. To start we need some colored papers, scissors, some crayons, and some googly eyes. We're going to start out by cutting the orange piece of paper like this. We're going to mark it out with a ruler and then use scissors to cut it. After cutting out the letter Y, we're going to use some yellow paper. We're going to cut out an oval and two horns. Finally, we're going to need some googly eyes and glue and a pencil or a marker. Now we're all ready. We're going to glue the letter Y onto the piece of paper. Can you name some things that start with the letter Y? There are a lot of things that start with the letter Y, like yarn, yogurt, yacht, and of course, yak, and that's what we're making today. After gluing the Y onto the paper, we're going to glue on the nose and mouth. Then we're going to glue on the horns. Yaks use their horns to defend themselves. That way they can stay safe from predators. After gluing on the horns, we're going to add the eyes. Now it's starting to look like a yak. Finally, we're going to draw the nose or the nostrils and the mouth. I'm going to draw them with a pencil first. After that, I'll go over them with a marker so that they are clear. Finally, we can title our art piece. We are going to write Y for yak. And then we are going to practice writing the letter Y underneath. Let's write a capital Y, then a small y, a capital Y, and then a small y. Good job! I hope you enjoyed making this craft with me. Please subscribe to Bunny Tales so I can make more fun crafts. Thank you!